This village is 850 years old. 850 years. So it's about 9 centuries. Fuck. It would scare me. Almost 900 years old. Some America was not exist in that time. The oldest village here in Germany, it was 1200. I saw it in the entrance of the village. 1200. 12 centuries, my friend. 12 fucking centuries. GM. Something very nice here. What they are making. IGM. Oh, fencer and facade. Windows and facade for maybe glass facade or something like that. Yeah. Way to go, man. You have Mercedes. Nice. When you have Mercedes, you can do whatever you want. There's really nice car here in Germany and new. I don't know how much percent, but many, couple of years old or good percentage. Rossmann. Very nice place. My brother drive for Rossmann. He drive for some company, but all the time drive for Rossmann. Only delivered to Rossmann. But I don't know. The job is hard. He work 1 week first shift daily, then 1 week night shift. For example, 7, 8, 9 at night until 10, 11 in the morning, you know. Crazy. Then he must to unload and load. There is big baskets, and there stays sometimes they heavy 200 300 kilos. They have 4 wheels and you have to push it, you know, and he must do everything. It's okay when you load in the company, but when you arrive to customer's place, you know, sometimes it's hill or downhill. Oh shit. Then you have to push it or be careful to not go away. And when you have, you know, shitty streets, then I don't know, but it's really hard work. 13-14 hours a day, 12, and I don't know, really. I don't have here to put anything heavy, you know. I have forklift for that, and that's all. Only when I have to help customer, you know, or something like that. Like yesterday, I'm drive for one of our colleague cousin, and we didn't have possibility to put directly in the garage, you know. Then we must to unload from Gestelle, from Bock. When it was one big window, four or five